what about payments? They're also different, very much. And this is, I think, of course, you were here, you know already about emerging markets and its difference with regards to payments. But I think this is something that we need really to keep in mind. Two things. One, alternative payment methods. So when a lot of people think about APMs, when talking about emerging markets, that is the case. And it's interesting because 10, 15 years ago, we thought that payment methods is just something temporary that's going to go away. Boleto is going to go away, and then cards will take over. OXXO is going to go away, and cards will take over. OXXO used to be very, very bad in terms of experience. It's not great yet, but it used to be very bad. But when you look, it's still there. It's still like 20, 30% of e-commerce transactions in Mexico. It's been improved and so on. And apart from those payment methods that are diminishing in some way, others came up, like Pix, like the wallets, like the account-to-account payments, which is a big trend, right? Account-to-account in its many manifestations. It can be Pix, like really bank-to-bank, or payment account-to-payment account, or similar to things that happen in Africa. Like the account is not even a payments account, but a mobile account. So a lot going on, and it's just growing. If you look at things like Nequi and Yape, I'm not sure it's listed here, but Nequi is an initiative that came from Colombia. So 20 million people. The penetration in e-commerce is not big yet, but the investment that people are, the institution are doing in this payment method, we're seeing a lot of success. So, and it's interesting because in Brazil, Pix was instituted by the central bank, a lot of regulations, a long roadmap. And in many of the smaller countries, the initiative comes from the private sector, and it grows either way. Like M-Pesa, which is dominant in Kenya, but it's organized by a private institution, Safaricom. So all different flavors. So very much needed.